being where you are and seeing the same old things. So today, a day like a million other days, we're going to go to Bahia de los Sueños, Bay of Dreams, to the Gran Suenos. We invite you to come along. So after a guard-gated gate and a long bumpy road over the hills and dales through the cordon forest, we end up at Gran Suenos. So it's Saturday, there's some cars in the parking lot. Let's see how many guests there are going to be in the restaurant. Parking is free, and let's see what's happening for lunch.
So here we are, we just ordered our lunch, and just to give you an idea, this is the pool we're going to be going into later. That's some of the sand we're going to walk across, and that's the ocean that we're going to go to. We'll show you some of the other things that you can do while you're here. I think you're going to be a little surprised at some of the things that our dogs like to do when they're here.
So far, because they know us and we feel like we're loved, they brought out a dog bowl, an official dog bowl with water and ice. And there's a little bit of grass, which one of our dogs is enjoying in the shade.
Good times for everyone.
And inside the main bar, they're doing a little maintenance work. And besides us, there's one other couple on the other side of the veranda, and it seems like another couple who just came up from the beach. So, as you can see, it's like having the place to ourselves.
Bon appetit.
We found that they offered us use of the resort's toy, even though we are not guests here, just having lunch. And that included snorkeling gear, fins, life preservers, most likely for people who borrow the kayaks, even little toys for the kids. It's the pool that you would come into after you finish swooshing down the slide. That I spoke of that has bar stools and a little love-seat couch. So last time we could lounge and enjoy the view of the ocean from here.
Surf's up, dude. There we go, take it in.
Water's great. Nice and warm. Kind of salty. Sandy bottom. Shallow.
I thought you were swimming.
Real difficult wave action. Dog friendly.
And dogs like it too, right, Rafanushka? Now, in my opinion, this is the way to take the dogs for a walk. Right, girls?
Sand off. They even have showers before you go home or enter the restaurant again. Sure it works. Oh, there it is. Yeah!
He's going!
Okay, Papa.
Last one!
Hello, Christian.
Hola, hola, I'm Christian.
Christian, what did you just see? What did you just see?
I see the dog. I never see something like that in 5 years. I work with him for 5 years, and I never see one dog is slicing.
What
the
did the
pool.
dog do?
It's they put on slice in the pool.
Right, not one, but
Both.
yeah.
It's nice. It's nice.
Yeah, thank you.